Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Mining Newsflash at Commodity TV, and we move on with Fiore Gold, Summa Silver, Caledonia Mining and OceanaGold. Fiore Gold just announced their Q4 and full year figures as at September 30th, 2020. Full year production was 46,031 ounces of gold, which is an increase of 11% year on year and within the guidance of 45 to 48,000 ounces. Gold sales were 46,334 ounces of gold at an average realized price of $1,681 per ounce. Net profit was $18 million and earnings per share were 18 US cents, a nine-fold increase on the previous year, leaving Fiore trading at a favorable price to earnings ratio below approximately 7 already. Consolidated AIC per ounce sold was $1,148. Revenue for the year was $77.9 million with mine operating income of almost $27 million and operating cash flow of $31.7 million and consolidated operating cash flow of $24.3 million compared to $10 million and $4.5 million respectively in 2019. The balance sheet is very healthy, with cash of over $23 million, representing a year-on-year increase of almost $16 million. Fiore Gold also recently announced a new resource and reserve estimate for a 2-year extension to the Pan mine life to 2025. All in all, things are looking very good for Fiore Gold. Summa Silver announced further high-grade silver-gold intercepts at Hughes. These results, spanning 3.5 kilometers, confirm the project's significant geological potential, while the new Ruby discovery represents a 1.3 kilometer step out from the historic Tonopah district. The rescue veins in the Belmont mine target area showed 6,220 grams silver equivalent per ton over 0.7 meters from almost 398 meters within 3,182 grams silver equivalent over 1.4 meters. The Ruby discovery and potential 1.3 kilometer extension of the Tonopah district showed almost 1,600 grams of silver equivalent over half a meter within 522 grams of silver equivalent over 2 meters from 610 meters depth. 6 zones of mineralization were intersected in where the most significant hydrothermal alteration to date on the property was also drilled. The Murray target has high-grade mineralization over a large area with, for example, 1,079 grams silver equivalent over 90 centimeters. The Mispah extension target showed strong mineralization between Belmont and Ruby with 518 grams and 290 grams per ton silver equivalent over up to 4 meters. The drill program has been completed with a further 14 holes still to be released. The Phase 2 program is planned as a follow-up drill program in 2021. Finally, Summa Silver is on the move and we are eager to see the rest of the results. The stock is cheap and promising. Caledonia Mining entered into another area option agreement. This option agreement gives the company the exclusive right to explore mining claims in an area known as Connemara North and subsequently, if exploration is successful, and at its discretion to acquire it. This property, like Glen Hughes, is located in the Gweru mining district in the Zimbabwe Midlands, which has historically produced significant quantities of gold. Connemara North is the northern part of the currently closed Connemara mine, which was previously owned by First Quantum Minerals. The mine was serviced and maintained from 2001 and subsequently disposed of in 2003. No commercial mining has taken place at the mine since that time. However, prior to being placed under maintenance and repair, the Connemara mine produced approximately 20,000 ounces of gold annually from an open-pit heap leach operation. Earlier disclosures by First Quantum in 2001 showed that they had plans to expand the existing open pit at the Connemara mine when the gold price was at only $300 per ounce. That is very promising, ladies and gentlemen. The property is located about 30 kilometers from Glen Hughes, has good road access and offers potential for operational synergies if Caledonia decides to develop both areas. The option gives Caledonia the right to explore the area for a period of up to 18 months and then, if exploration is successful and at their discretion, to acquire the mining claims on the area. The total consideration includes an initial payment of $300,000, followed by a further payment of $5 million payable in cash or shares at the seller's discretion. Caledonia has also agreed to pay a net smelter royalty of 1% to the vendor for gold produced at Connemara North. Caledonia is systematically building the future of the company and positioning themselves more broadly. We like it a lot. OceanaGold not only extended their revolving credit facility to 31st December 2024, but also increased it by $50 million to $250 million, giving the company a lot of financial flexibility. At Hale, the company plans to further improve operations and continue mining higher-grade zones in the first half of 2021. Development of the Hale underground mine is scheduled to begin in the second half of the year. In New Zealand, Martha Underground is processing towards first production expected in the second quarter of 2021. At Macraes, production remains stable while the new Golden Point underground deposit is being developed into production. Exploration continues to increase, particularly at the high-grade WKP and Martha underground deposits. In the Philippines, work continues with the government to successfully complete the FTAA renewal process. If DDP on the Philippines goes back into production along with the work just described, the stock should face a massive upside re-rating. Merry Christmas and a healthy and prosperous 2021. My team and or myself are or may be shareholders in the companies presented, and they are or may become part of the SRC Mining Special Situation Certificate. Thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Switzerland.